Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify closing costs estimates with Bankrate Calculator easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Bankrate Closing Costs Calculator. Click on the link to the Bankrate website that appears in the search results. Once the page loads, locate the Closing Costs Calculator on the home page. You may find it under a section labeled Calculators or Mortgages. Click on the Closing Costs Calculator link. Input your home purchase price in the designated field. Next, enter the down payment amount you plan to make. Select the state where the property is located from the drop-down menu. Now, input the loan term, typically 30 or 15 years. If applicable, choose your loan type, such as fixed rate or adjustable rate. After filling in these details, click on the Calculate button. The calculator will generate an estimate of your closing costs. Review the breakdown of costs provided by the calculator. Pay attention to items like loan origination fees, appraisal fees, and title insurance. Compare these estimates with the closing costs listed by your lender. If there are significant discrepancies, note them down for further discussion. Consider reaching out to your lender for clarification on any surprising figures. Use this process to ensure transparency in your loan costs. You'll have a clearer understanding of what to expect at closing. This will help you make informed financial decisions during the mortgage process. Now, you can repeat this process as needed for different loan scenarios. This way, you can compare costs based on various down payment options. With practice, you'll become adept at estimating closing costs. Remember, the goal is to be well prepared for your home purchase. This simple tool can save you time and money in the long run. Feel confident in your financial planning by verifying estimates with Bankrate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.